Hi, it's Robin Red with the Scrap Room today, and I'm sharing my Shots of Life layout that I created using the Shots of Life kit. I started with Simple Stories Freezing Season 4x6 cards, and I'm scrapbooking the doggy and I matching scarves pictures. I start by printing my photos, trimming them down to size. I'm using a unique page protector, Shots of Life page protector that's not the normal. It's kind of a new design that's out. I laid my cards out, my photos out. I'm putting a piece of washi tape on the bottom of this to add a little bit of pizzazz. As you see, the center strip going across, they are 4x4 slots, so I'm using the 4x4 card and two 4x4 photos in that row. The 4x6 cards will go in the 4 outer slots. I'm using one of the 4x6 cards as a photo mat for the lower right card. I'm embellishing with the stickers and fun foam on the backs of them to give it some dimension. Adding a bit of snowflakes here and there. Living in Southern California, I don't have a lot of snow pictures, so this is what I came up with today. Gotta get a little creative here in Southern California. I'm fussy cutting around this polar bear so that he will peek out in front of the picture. He's too cute to cover up. I use the glass mat to fussy cut. It helps with the X-Acto knife to go smoothly. I want to spiffy up these cards by mounting them on this yellow cardstock to give the 4x6 cards a little bit of a frame. Trim the 4x6 cards down because they won't fit with the 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 frame into the pockets. I decide to use the polar bear card for my journaling. Winter wishes and Eskimo kisses. Just trimming down these sides a bit. Trying to see if I like this green matte as well. Let's add a few more stickers here and there. And it's just about finished. Now I need to write out my journaling. First I use a pencil. Oh, gotta get my jumbo roller date stamp. Put the date on the card. These pictures were taken about a year ago. Then I write in my journaling with pencil. Once that's finished, I will go over it in pen and then erase the pencil that's underneath. I use a white eraser for that, and it cleans up the pencil pretty nicely. Gotta pop the head up on this polar bear. Add a few more snowflakes here and there. Once I'm done with that, I slip them in the pockets, and I'm finished. What do you think? Thanks for coming by. We'll see you next month.